Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Haggard Hill. Here's what we're going to do today. I need to run over to the neighbors and pick up a couple more firewood logs that he's got for me. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to put the stump grinder on the mini skid. We're going to drive it over there, and I'm going to grind up some stumps for him today. So watch along as we haul a couple logs and then start grinding some stumps. Sometimes these hydraulic fittings get some pressure on them, so you got to release it back here on the auxiliary. And then they slip right in. Alright, let's get some grease and give it a little grease. I've already greased up the mini skid, so it's good to go. Put a little on the stump grinder. Haven't greased it since I used it last, but won't hurt to put a little on there. Seems like I greased it after my last use, but better safe than sorry. All right, we're just about through with that one. I think you kind of get the gist of it. I'll put you on time lapse to finish it up so I don't bore you with the whole thing. When I edit the video, I'll let you know how long it actually took from start to finish. All right, well, there's the first one. He's got a few more to do. I may show you some of them small, some of them big, some of them's old, some of them's new. We'll just keep trying. Well, all right, that's a good little stump grinding project I had over at the neighbor's house. I ground a total of 8 stumps, and it took me about 2.5 hours of actual grinding time. That's the raking and all that stuff to get those done. Had some big ones, had some small ones. You count the time that I got ready this morning by hooking up the stump grinder, greasing it, getting ready, driving over, coming back, hitting it with a little grease when I'm done, and what it's going to take me to get everything put away. I've got about 3.5 hours in the project. Not too bad. Like I said, he gave me some firewood logs this week, and then he gave me some last fall, so I wanted to do some stumps for him. So it's always good to help out a neighbor. We help each other out quite a bit. I do want to thank each and every one of you stopping by here at Haggard Hill and checking out what we do. I would ask you, if you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you a dime, and hey, if you don't like it, like I said before, I'll refund your money. Be sure to share my channel and tell all your friends and family about it, trying to get it to grow. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I thank you for stopping by to check us out. And as always, God bless to you and your family.